lovelies. Hope you all are doing wonderful. It's another day, and I am here to share with you a very detailed recipe on how to prepare palm kernel oil in my country, Ghana. Yes. If you are here for the first time, this channel is called Home Tips with Mom. It is a small channel that we are trying to grow, and we do amazing stuff here. We prepare healthy drinks, we do baking, we also want to learn a lot of home tips here. We do gardening as well. So if you are here for the first time, you are on the right channel because you are going to learn a lot of healthy tips here. Thank you so much for passing by. Do not forget to subscribe to be part of this amazing family. As I said earlier, today we are going to prepare palm kernel oil using two different methods here. So I want you to pay attention, follow me through as I take you through the process. So this is the palm kernel nuts after cracking them from the shell. We are going to wash it thoroughly to get rid of all the dirt in it. Ensure to wash it well to get rid of all the dirt in there. After washing it, you get your blender. Then you strain all the water from the palm kernel nuts. We want to get rid of all the water because afterwards we are going to roast it, so we do not want any moisture in there. So as you can see, that is what I am doing here. You can see some water dripping from the colander. When done, you get your clean napkin. Then you cut the palm kernel nuts to get excess moisture from it. After patting it dry, you get a tray, a dry tray, then you pour in all the palm kernel nuts, then you put it in the sun. That is if you have access to sun. In a situation whereby you do not have access to sun, you can keep it in an airy place for it to dry. So now this is my cold pot. roasting my charcoal. We are coming to set the fire to roast our palm kernel nuts. So we have started with the process. The yellowish thing you see me putting inside the charcoal, it is called what? Chaff. Yes, it is. We get this from what? The palm kernel fruits. That is when you are preparing our soup. We use it to set fire in Ghana here. So let me know from wherever you are watching from what you also use to set your local fire there. Thank you. And that is my kerosene. Yes. We are going to get our fire ready for roasting the palm kernel nuts. So we are ready. Ensure to stir it very well to avoid the nuts from burning. You have to stir it very often. So we are getting it off on the fire. And you can see some oil coming out from what? The roasted palm kernel nuts. This is the first oil you get, the black one. It's very medicinal. Afterwards, you pound the palm kernel, the roasted palm kernel nuts. Yes. In the olden days, they usually take it, or mostly even now in Ghana here, those who do it in large quantity, they take it to the milling machine for it to be grounded or to be grounded. But since mine is in a smaller quantity, I had to use my blender. And you know that the nut is very, very hard, so I had to pound it to get this form before I do what? I blend it into paste. So that is what I am doing. Then you add a little water. We all know the health benefits of palm kernel oil. Yes, you can consume it. It heals a lot of sicknesses. Even if your daughter or your child is running temperature, body temperature, you can get some of the palm kernel oil, then you rub it all over the child's body. You give yourself some time, the temperature will come back to normal. Yes. And also you can use it to what? Cream yourself or apply it to your body. And I tell you, you get that glowing skin. You can also apply it in your hair, especially those of us who have gray hair. When you apply the palm kernel oil often in your hair, you realize that your hair will become very dark. So we are done mixing the paste. We put it back on the fire to allow it to boil. As the water is boiling, you realize that the oil will start coming out, just as we are seeing here. Please, if you are watching and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And if you like what I am putting out there, do not forget to give me a thumbs up and also turn on the bell notification so that whenever I post the video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much for the support so far. And I must say, we have now gotten to 600 subscribers. Thank you so much, my wonderful people, for the amazing support so far. It's time to strain the oil. You could see that now the oil is coming out. Yes, it has been boiling for some time now, and you can see the oil coming out. So we are going to get all the oil from what? From the mixture. And that's exactly what I am doing here. This type of oil making, it is very tedious and it requires a lot of time. Please do not skip. Kindly watch to the end so that you get the import of whatever that I'm trying to teach us here. So this is the oil after what? Boiling the paste, as in the mixture. This is the oil that you get, and if you see that the color is different from the oils that we got from the roasted palm kernel nuts. They are two different oil, but they are virtually very good. Or they do the same thing, just that the black one that we got from the first one, as in the roasting of the palm kernel oil, that one is very medicinal. It is very potent, and people use it for what? Medicinal purposes. And mostly this is what we use in cooking in our country here, Ghana. When you get your rice and you cook it with this kind of oil, my dear, you thank me later. It tastes so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up and share for others also to know the two methods that we use in preparing what? Palm kernel oil in my country, Ghana. And this is the first oil we got from the roasted what? Palm kernel nuts. Yes. This is very medicinal. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Till we meet again, it's bye.